Wait, what?
Yes!
Go!
What?
Go!
No.
Alright.
I see Wyatt. He's on the doors. Watch the doors. See the glass doors? I guess Officer Corn Dogs.
Hey!
Sorry, I didn't
Yeah.
see it.
No.
I thought you were jamming.
Hey, Wyatt's on that plywood thing up there.
No.
Sam down there, he's gay.
Hey!
Can I have some chicken for dinner? Hey!
Hey!
I'm gonna find out who shot me.
And I'm gonna kick your ass.
Watch this jump shot.
Head glitching.
Glitch.
Glitch. Time to restart the game. What?
A sniper rifle. Hi, what's going on?
What's up, Shane? How you doing?
I'm stuck behind a tree.
You can move.
I know. I plan on it. I just need to.
It's so stupid for both of them to be over there.
I think I'm out of ammo in both guns.
I'm gonna go over there and mess with them.
Hey! Hey, I'm out of ammo for like both these weapons. How are you? I just loaded the whole dragon up.
I don't think you did.
I just did!
Why are you running back?
Because wife and dick.
Give me the speed loader, now!
Hey, I don't have a speed loader, but
Why is your ammo jiggling in your
I
pocket?
have BBs. No, that's... If
Whoa.
he missed, I would have been pissed. Those are Joe's BBs.
Behind a tree!
What's up, guys?
What's going on? I see Corey. Sam, go to the camera.
Joe, why are you texting in the middle of the
I
game?
can't hit anyone.
Why is he texting in the middle of the game? He's just retarded.
Anyone, you got that right.
He bad aim, that's why.
Oh my God, I missed by an inch. Come on, Joe, he's looking right at us, I swear to God. I missed by an inch, Nathan, shut up. Why'd you get up there?
I don't want to film Sam.
I have cover.
Come here and get it.
Yeah, where's it at?
God damn it, Justin. It's in my ass.
No one knows you're here, it's pretty funny.
Yeah, I know. I just shot Wyatt in the gun. He's gonna have to get it out by hand.
In this hole up here, don't shoot me.
God damn it.
Ah!
I'm getting all fogged up here.
Dude.
What? Hey, Dylan, are they looking up?
Yep.
Well, tell me when they turn or something.
Joe left.
Is Nathan still looking? Is Nathan still looking?
Joe's looking, Nathan's not.
Here, Dylan, tell me when to hold on to this for me.
Hold on to what? Look up, look up. No, no.
Good Joe. They're not moving.
Whoever shot me, fight me.
Hey, why are you shooting at me?
Hey, someone's crawling right behind you.
Oh, you're behind me.
No, he didn't shoot at you from me. I don't know.
Oh shit. Hey Joe, I'm moving, don't blow my head off. Cause you said you would. Hey guys.
I would like to start out my apology with, I'm sorry.
For what?
You'll find out.
Did you fart?
No.
What'd you do?
I took a banana and I raped Jeremy in the anus. Watch this, right in shank.
No, that's fine.
Who are you aiming at?
Wyatt right there. Wyatt, I don't want to hit you in the eye. Put your damn glasses on. Are you looking? Nope. I shot Wyatt once, I know that.
I shot Wyatt once too. I was the first one to shoot him.
Wyatt's turning into Nathan with the cheating game.
Damn it.
Pop-up's a little retarded. There he goes.
He's on the right. Behind the doors.
Yeah, I see him.
Hi, Walter.
We're cheating.
It's alright. My eyes are covered. Nah, he hit me.
Oh, shit.
Lol.
Jeremy, stay down.
I'm staying down.
Jeremy, get off the truck.
You told me to get a sniper position.
Well, now I'm telling you to get off the truck and get to the SUV.
Hold on, there's
Go!
shit in my eyes.
That might help if I undo the slide.
Nathan's standing out in the middle of nowhere.
Is he still in?
Wyatt!
Nathan, are you out? Shoot him, get up.
I got Wyatt.
Shoot Nathan, he's right there. Same with Al.
Oh wait, that's Joe. I almost shot Joe because I thought it was him.
Wyatt's out, I got him.
Finally.
You see him? I can see him right now.
Is he like right
Jeremy.
there?
Jeremy.
Whoa, up ahead of behind that camo barrier.
Mm-hmm. It's two of them.
So is Alan.
Nathan and Alan.
Hey, they're both behind that camo barrier. Corey.
There's a. Come on, look at the camo barrier.
Who's on left?
Alan and Nathan, they're both right there.
Come on, Dustin.
Nathan, I think Nathan moved. No, he's still there.
Dude, if you stand up right where I'm at, come here. Don't even. This. If you look right here, look at all of them right there.
Yeah, I know. I'm aiming there, but they're not popping out anymore.
Their head always comes up. Look, they're all just like bees swarming around. Look at
I
them.
know. I don't want to. Wyatt, I'm gonna hit you if you don't move.
You won't shoot him.
You're in my way. Your teammates are right there.
Pay attention and move to the left side.
Fuck you, Wyatt. I'm trying to hit Alan's hand. Where's that Nathan? What?
There goes Nathan.
I lost him. What'd you do?
I don't know. We're good.
Dylan, can you take a speed loader?
Yeah.
Let me get that.
Why?
Watch it.
I think I'm out of ammo.
I don't have it on me. There's Alan shooting at us. Come on, hurry up, get up, get up, get up, get up. No, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I can't see him anymore.
There he is.
Guys, rush that.
Come on, I can see him. His arms fucking popping
Your
out.
pistol, rush him. Yeah, Sally Wiggins, rush him.
Alright.
I don't care. Do it again. For all I care.
Shane, watch out there.
No, I don't. I had one. I don't have it.
Huh?
Alan or Nathan or Alan is sitting right over there.
All right.
Did you see me, like, I was like this far away from Todd, and I said, ha, and I didn't, because I didn't want to pull the trigger, and they shot me.
Todd's right over there.
They're right. Oh, God.
I just hit him.
Yeah, I hit you plenty of times.
He hit me. I was watching
Wyatt's
him fly
cheating
at me,
too.
I just moved.
Why, if you're watching this, you're cheating. Same with Nathan. Nathan, you're gay. There, we all know that, though. Right, Joe?
Yeah.
Jeremy, I don't know how. Look at this. Look at my camera right now. You can see Alan right now.
I can too. I just
Pull the trigger!
I had to tell you what.
Are you out of ammo?
They don't
no.
relate.
I might
They
be
make
now.
the most amazing pistols.
Yeah.
But the horrible magazines.
Oh shit! I don't have any ammo left. I gave my sea loader to Todd. Hey, Corey.
Todd has the speed deck.
What?
Speed loader.
I need ammo.
That's nice.
Say you're out. Because this is going to take forever.
No.
I need ammo.
No man left
Why
behind.
aren't you playing, Dylan?
What's the look I'm doing?
Filming?
Yeah.
Well, why are you filming and not playing?
Hey, don't step back.
Because my Glock broke.
Oh.
And which I come. I'm not gonna say it on recording.